Hello everyone, welcome to this video series on web technologies. So in this video we are going to look at the third subprogram in program number 9. So what they are asking us to do is, of course I am going to use PHP. So they are saying that the web application should take name and age from the user. Okay, it is a HTML page which displays two text fields, for one for name, another one is for age, and they are saying if the age is less than 18, that means the user is entering 17, 16, something like that, the application should display a page which says, hello, you are not authorized to visit this site. So you should display this message if the age is less than 16. Otherwise, if the age is 18 or greater than 18, you have to display this message, welcome to this site. Okay, this is also simple. So let's see how to do this. Okay, so this is HTML page, index.html. So I think all of you know what is happening in this code because we have already created so many pages using HTML. So I am creating a form tag here, and the action is set to process.php. That means I have to create this PHP file. Okay, and there are two text fields, 1, 2. One is for taking name of the user, another one is taking age of the user, and there is submit button and reset button. So let me show you the output for this. Okay, easy PHP dev server, right click, open a new tab. Okay, right. So there are two text fields, one is for name, another one is for age. Okay, now I have to create this page, process.php. So let me create this page. So new, opening PHP and closing PHP tag. Let's save the file. So name of the file is process.php. Okay, it is saved, process.php. Now let's retrieve the name and age from the HTML page. So you already know how to do this. You will use the global variable get, and here we have to write the name value that you have given in the HTML page. So that is this one, txt name, and for age I will use txt age. Okay, dollar age equal to dollar underscore get txt age. Okay, now you have to check whether the age is less than 18 or greater than 18. So you will write age less than 18. So if it is less than 18, they are asking us to display the message hello. Let's display the username also here. Name, you are not authorized to visit this site. Okay, otherwise print welcome to this site. That's all. Very simple program. So let's see. Let me enter John and age as 20. Click submit. Okay, since the age is greater than 18, it is displaying welcome to this site. Now let's give 15. Now it's saying hello John, you are not authorized to visit this site because the age is less than 18. Okay, so that's it for this video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubts in this program, you can comment below the video. Thank you.